If you want to sharpen an image in Krita or fix a blurry canvas that looks soft and pixelated, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're working on digital art, imported artwork, or a low-resolution file that needs a cleaner look, Krita gives you a few simple tools that can help improve clarity fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, open your project in Krita and make sure you've selected the correct layer in the Layers docker. This is important because the sharpening filter will only affect the layer that's currently active. If you sharpen the wrong layer, you may not get the result you want, so always double check before moving on. Now go to the top menu bar and click Filter. From the drop-down, hover over Enhance and then click Sharpen. This is the main sharpening option inside Krita, and it's a quick way to bring out more detail in your image. Once you apply it, look closely at the result. You should notice the edges and fine details becoming a little more defined. If the image still looks blurry, there's another important thing to check. Sometimes the problem is not really the sharpness filter at all, it's the canvas size. If your canvas resolution is too low, even a high-quality imported image can look blurry or pixelated, cause Krita is forcing it to fit a limited number of pixels. To fix that, go up to the top menu again and click Image, then choose Scale Image to New Size. This is where you can control the actual size of your canvas. Check both the width and height settings carefully. If you're painting details or working on a project that needs clearer output, try to make sure your canvas is at least 2000 to 3000 pixels on its shortest side. That gives you much more room for detail and helps avoid that rough, low-resolution look. You should also check the resolution field. For crisp digital work and printing, set it to at least 300 ppi, which stands for pixels per inch. This is especially useful if you plan to export your artwork for print or want cleaner results when zooming in. A higher resolution won't magically fix a badly blurry image, but it can make your work look much sharper and more professional when combined with the right canvas size. After adjusting the size and resolution, click OK to apply the changes, then zoom in and inspect your artwork again. If needed, you can go back and apply the sharpen filter one more time, but always use it carefully. Too much sharpening can make the image look harsh, noisy, or unnatural, so the goal is usually to enhance detail, not overdo it. So the simple workflow is this: select the correct layer, apply filter, enhance, sharpen, and if the image still looks soft, check your canvas size using Scale Image to New Size and make sure your resolution is set properly. That combination will help you get much better results in Krita. If this tutorial helped you sharpen an image in Krita, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.